Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn to make a comparator circuit with the help of opamp or operational amplifier. The operational amplifier we are using is the 741 opamp. Now first you must know that what a comparator is. A comparator is a logic circuit which will use to compare two voltages, and when one voltage is high or less than other, it will show us some output. So for better understanding, let's start making the circuit. First we will take our VCC power supply. After it, we need to go to take ground, and then we need VDD and VEE. After it, go and take your opamp, that is the operational amplifier. So 741 is our operational amplifier. Then we need two 9K resistors. So we will go to basic, and then we will go to quarter watt resistances, and here we will get our resistance. So you just need to use the quarter watt, that is 1/4 watt, and 9K resistors. Okay, and for output we need our indicator. Indicator is indicator can be like of any color, like red, yellow, green and blue, or we just take like this blue, this orange one. Okay, now we need to connect the indicator with the 6 volt with the pin number 6. Okay, now what about VEE? VEE power supply must be at minus 12 volt and VDD must be at plus 12 volt. Now 7 to VDD. Okay, now so it is minus 12 volt. Now there are two pins of the input pins for the op-amp. One is the positive, that is non-inverting input, and one is negative with the negative sign, that is called as the inverting input. Now we will connect VCC with the non-inverting input. After it, we will rotate our resistors, that is clockwise, and then we will combine them out. Actually, we are making a voltage divider network via this method. Also change or leave it like that, like this. Okay, now we need to connect the upper end of the op-amp with the resistors like this, and okay, now we will connect the inverting end of the op-amp with the mid portion of the resistors, like the trace which is in between both of these resistors. Okay, now our circuit is completed. Now what will happen, that when we will change the value to 1 volt, we will see that either output will change or not, and when it will cross certain corresponding voltages or voltage, we will get our what's called as the output. And one more thing, that here we need some voltage probe to see that either. Okay, now we have 6 volt here at A negative or inverting end, we have 6 volts. So when it is 6 volt or greater than 6 volt on pin number 3, that is the non-inverting end, we will get some positive voltage on pin number 6, so that our indicator will show us. So now we will run it. Now you can see that our indicator is not on. Why it is so? Because our voltage is less. Now we will increase it to 2 volt. We will check for each voltage. Still no response. Then there is like 3. So no response at all. Okay, now it is 4. Still no response. Actually, it used to compare the voltage. Now at 5, we will try to see. Still no response. Now after 6 or at 6, the output will glow. Now you can see that at 6 volt, it used to compare both the voltage, and when it is 6, it used to glow. So this thing is called as the comparison between two voltage signals. For 7, it used to glow, okay, and for greater values, it will behave like this, okay, means that it will become on. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use the opamp, that is 741, as a comparator circuit. So thanks for visiting our channel.